I'm making chicken and dumplings today, the easy way with the slow cooker. So I'm going to show you how we do this. Some red and gold potatoes. I have my soup, my garlic, my onion. And I have my classic mixed vegetables with carrots and corn and green beans and peas and lima beans. So we're going to have lots of veggies. So let's get started. We're going to take our potatoes and we're just going to cut them up into little pieces. And I actually washed these earlier so they're good to go. Otherwise you would need to wash your potatoes, but we're just going to cut them into little chunks. Chicken and dumplings is so good, but I don't ever make the dumplings. I always just pop open some Grand's biscuits and we have biscuits on the side. That's the easy way to do it. Because always the dumplings just kind of taste flourier to us. We're not big fans. We prefer our flaky layers Grand's biscuits. So we do biscuits on the side. And now I'm going to cut up my onion here. I'm just cutting it into nice small little pieces. Get this all placed up. And now we're ready to get started. So we're going to take our cream of chicken soup here and get her all opened up. Soup right into my slow cooker. And then I'm just going to wash my can out with some milk. So I'm going to fill it about 3/4 of the way full of milk. And then I'm going to take my little spatula and I'm just going to kind of scrape the sides all the way around the can to kind of try to get the last of that soup that's stuck to the sides. And dump that right in. There we go. And now we're going to take our garlic. I'm going to add a good little baby spoonful of garlic in there. And we're going to give this a good old mix to kind of incorporate the soup and the milk together so it's two separate things. Our soup and our milk and garlic is all incorporated. So now that that's all incorporated, we're just going to take our onion and just kind of drop it right in. And we're going to drop our potatoes right on in. Bag of our classic frozen vegetable blend. Just dump that whole bag right on in there. Doesn't that look so good all mixed in there? The onion and the potatoes and all of those vegetables. And now I'm going to cube up a couple frozen chicken breasts. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of my oregano leaves. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt, just enough to give it a little flavor. And we're going to add some pepper. And we're going to mix that in. Now I'm just going to cube up my chicken breasts here. Get them tossed in the crock pot. And then we're gonna let this slow cook 4 to 6 hours until everything is nice and tender and yummy. You can go 6 to 8 on low, or you can do 4 to 6 on high, depending on how much stuff you put in your crock pot. And we'll have ourselves some good chicken and dumplings. And there you have chicken and dumplings. I added a cup of milk with about a half of a cup of flour beat into it to where it's a nice thick like pancake batter. And then you just slowly mix that into your chicken and dumpling pot to thicken her nice up. And there you have chicken and dumplings, except we use buttermilk biscuits.